Alright, what's up y'all? So today I'm finna make a video that I have not seen but one video. This is the only video that helped me out on this problem. My G35 brake lamp lights, they want to be dumb and not work. Literally going home last night, and dude pulls up, "Hey dude, your light's not working." I'm like, "What?" It's like, "Yeah." He's like, "Go home and figure it out so you'll get pulled over." I'm like, "Good looking, my nigga." So basically every light works on the car except for like the daytime lamp, I guess you say, for the brake light. Like when you turn your lights on and it's dim, and then when you press the brakes it gets brighter. So basically the dim version was not working. I pressed the brakes, everything's fine, but as soon as I let go it just goes completely black and it looks like nothing is there. So I was like, I need to fix that because I get off late from work and I'll be driving at night and I'm gonna get put over. "Oh, you know what, we'll do it." "Yeah, because my brake lights don't work, sorry." So I was like, I need to figure this out. I was like looking, I might need to buy a headlight, all type of stuff. I'm like, I'm not trying to do none of that because taillights is expensive. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. So I've already fixed the issue, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I mean. So the headlights and all that work, that's cool. But when you would come to the back, how these daytime lights are on, they were not coming on at all. Like it was just completely dim, and then even the license plate one wasn't working either. So pretty much there was nothing there. But when you step on the brake, then it worked. So pretty much I'm gonna just show y'all what I did. Let me turn off the lights first before we can blow my hands apart. So basically there's a couple places where there's fuses or whatever. So pretty much I got it from right here. You pull this little cover off and then you gotta move the trim that goes right there, so you can't even see it like when it's in normal spot. You just move that like that, pull this out. What you need to do is go down to these fuses right down there. That second fuse from the top, number 10, is the brake lamp fuse, I guess. Basically that's what you need to pull in order to see if it's like okay. So according from YouTube, this guy literally unplugged the second one, and let me see if I could try to right this second one right here, number 10. That one is the brake lamp fuse, and all the way at the bottom, this number 10 right here connects to the AC. My AC is not even connected. So literally what I did was I pulled the AC one and put it right here in the brake lamp, and put the brake lamp one down here, and that literally fixed the problem. You can see the fuse was pretty burnt. Just make sure you keep it a 10. If you go anything above that, you might blow up something, and I don't want you to blow it up and then try to blame me on my video and stuff like that. So that's literally all you need to do. Well, now this is what you get. The issue is fixed. If it ever happens again, now I know what to do. Just buy some 10 amp fuses, I guess. That'll be the way that you can easily avoid that problem and not get no tickets, because tickets suck. I got too many tickets right now. Trash. It's a quick little video, just something to help the owners that are gonna run into this problem. Like if I ran into it, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna run into that issue. I was stressing out. I didn't know what to do. I could not figure it out. Finally came across a video and it helped me out. So I'm gonna just make this video. Maybe it can help someone else out in the future. You never know. Save a life, save a ticket, because cops these days, they suck. So yep, that's pretty much it.